ladies and gentlemen, apart from that, see, you have been having fun, si ndio? Si tumekuwa tukijibamba. Mngependa turudi Migori tena siku nyingine? Chengoro kwa wacho ni waduogo ubro chopo. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been smiling since the show started. But there is a dental clinic that always makes sure that you get the best smile that you've always wanted. And that is Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic. Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic, ladies and gentlemen, is located in Kisumu, but they operate everywhere in Nyanza. You can get their services from everywhere in Nyanza, and they are also in Nairobi, Freedom Heights Mall, that is Langata Road. So, do we have the team from Dr. Shem? Just stand and wave, please. Okunen gaguti no emomiyo. Orwa ko t-shirt marachar, ungeni sindio? So, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic gives you all the dental services that you've always wanted, from tooth whitening, braces, tooth decay, root canal, and all sorts of family dentistry. One good thing about Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic is that they accept all insurance covers. So maybe meno inakuuma na hauna pesa. You have a dental problem but you don't have the cash and the money. They accept all insurance covers from NHIF, APA, UAP, AON, Madison, which one again? Old Mutual, all insurance covers. Isn't that good? Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So you can take out your phones. If you want to reach Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental Clinic, they have the official number here. That is 0732-224624. 0732-224624. Charges. Umeuliza charges. Very affordable. That's why it is the best dental clinic we have in the country right now. Sindio? For a clinic to operate and open another branch, it means they are doing a good job. Sindio? And that means they are affordable and everybody. Imagine you can even be treated in installments. If the bill is 5,000 and you have 2,000, unaweza anza na 2,000, ukirudi unaleta 1,000, ukirudi unamaliza na 2,000. It's amazing. Sindio? Let's give them a round of applause to Ashkuru, ladies and gentlemen. And right about now,